Chapter 9 Temperate Grasslands. You will learn location of temperate grasslands, climatic conditions, vegetation and wildlife, human population. Let's begin. Look, Meena, the grass in the backyard has grown so much, it has almost covered the path as well. Sumit, this grass is very short as compared to the grass that grows in the grasslands. Grasslands? Where in the world are the grasslands? Is India a grassland? No, India is not a grassland. Grasslands are found in some other parts of Asia, Europe, North and South America, etc. Teacher's note. Discuss with the students about what grasslands are and how they are different from other regions and in what ways. The grasslands are the largest green pastures found on the earth. Many of these grasslands have now been covered into farmlands. But before this, these grasslands were home to many wild animals that lived in the lush green grass. Location. The temperate grasslands are located in the temperate zone of both the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere, touching the equator. These lie roughly between 40° N and 55° N in the northern hemisphere and 40° S and 55° S in the southern hemisphere. The grasslands cover a large part of the earth, approximately 20% of the total land area. The grasslands are known by various names in the different parts of the world. Country names: South Africa, Wales, Hungary, Pustata, Argentina, Pampas, Eurasia, Steppes, Australia, Downs, North America, Prairies. Climate. There is a huge difference in temperature of the grasslands in summers and winters. In summers, the temperature in this region can rise up to 38 degrees Celsius. In winters, the temperature may drop well below 0 degrees. The snowfall in winter season helps the grasslands to retain moisture of the soil. The temperate grasslands experience moderate rainfall between 25 and 35 inches during the late spring and early summer. Vegetation. The temperate grasslands can be divided into tall grass areas and long grass areas. Some grasslands receive more rainfall than the others. Therefore, the length and density of the grass also differ. Grasslands are also able to survive long periods without any rainfall. Grass has the ability to absorb moisture from the soil and is very adaptive to the climate. The soil here is very nutritious rich and hence has so many different types of vegetations growing here. Many different types of grasses such as blue grama grass, buffalo grass, Johnson grass, gallets, etc. are dominant in the grasslands. Flowers like asters, blazing stars, coneflower, goldenrod, cloves, wild indigos, etc. are also found in these regions. There is a large variety of grazing animals found in these regions. Animals and birds like bison, gazelle, zebra, rhinoceros, wild horse, lion, wolf, prairie dogs, aardvark, kangaroos, tapir, rabbits, deer, mice, fox, skunk, blackbirds, etc. are the inhabitants of these grasslands. Fact frame. The bison was once the most common animal found in the prairies of the North America, but it is now near to be extinct. Aardvark is a large mammal. It feeds on ants. Human population. The rich and fertile soil found in the grasslands is most suitable for rearing domesticated animals for getting milk and meat by human beings. The prairies have been the largest food bowls of the world due to their bumper production of wheat, barley, oats and corn. Individual agricultural farms are spread in hundreds of acres. Farming methods here are completely mechanized and are carried out in extensive manner. Livestock rearing is another commercial activity which is carried out on a large scale here. The surplus fodder in the form of grass and stalks of wheat and other fodder make it very convenient for the farmers to raise animals. The cowboys on the horsebacks grazing their cattle are common sight in the grasslands. In South America, the cowboys are called gauchos and the farms are called estancias. Industries. Some parts of the prairies, the pampas and the veldt are rich in mineral resources. Lignite, a coal variety, and mineral oil are mined in large quantities here. Ore extracting factories and oil refineries have also been set up. The most important industry in the grasslands is the meat packing industry. In South Africa, gold and diamond mines are famous in the veldt regions. Recall: grasslands are the land covered with grass and are known by different names in different countries. These areas receive moderate rainfall. There is a variety of vegetation and wildlife found in these regions. These are very fertile lands. A. Take the correct option.